I'm talking about $800 as a student, because they have got the budget and they are willing to pay more for the service. On this channel, we talk about smart ways to make money, develop your skills, and build a sustainable source of income, even when you're still in school. So today's video is going to be a game changer for anyone looking for a way to make money. I'm talking about $800 as a student. Yes, and more. Sounds like a lot, right? Well, it's totally possible if you know the right approach. And here's the twist. We are going to be selling a service-based product to businesses, not just consumers, but why businesses? Because they have got the budget and they are willing to pay more for the service and for the right skills. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 high demand software tools you can learn and use to help businesses with their day-to-day operations. Once you learn these skills, you can easily become a consultant, freelancers offering your services as a consultant to businesses in your local area or even internationally. So if you are ready to learn how to make real money as a student, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tell us the time or where you are watching us from, so we can predict the country you are in. And turn on the notification button so you don't miss a video from us or any tips. Let's dive in. Well, why sell to businesses, not consumers? I said that earlier on, right? Alright, before we jump into the tools, let's talk about the strategies behind it. Well, if you are thinking about making money by selling services, you have got two options. Well, you can either sell to consumers or you can sell to businesses. Now, as a student, you can be tempted to start selling directly to consumers because you feel they are more easier to convince and they will understand you more and you can easily interact and talk with them. But here is the thing. Businesses typically have higher budgets and greater need for efficiency. They are also looking for ways to streamline their opportunities, their operations, and they are willing and ready to pay for software consultants or people who can help them use these tools effectively. So by selling your services to businesses, you're not just working for pocket change. You are also positioning yourself as a high value business consultant that can make an impact and also earn more. And trust me, businesses are constantly on the lookout for people who know how to use specific softwares and tools to help them grow. Now, the next step is learning the software tools. These software are designed to help businesses run smoothly. And the best part, they need someone who knows how to use them. So what I'm going to share with you today are 10 software tools you can master. And once you know how to use them, you can offer consulting services to businesses that need help implementing them. These tools are powerful. They are used by businesses all over the world. So if you can learn how to use just one or two of these software, you can start offering your consulting services to businesses and start getting paid in dollars. Let's break it down. First up is Slack. If you have been in a team environment, you have probably heard of Slack. It's a communication tool used by businesses to stay connected, collaborate, and organize projects. You can offer services to businesses by helping them set up a Slack workstation, organize channels, and train their teams on how to use it efficiently. Slack is very huge in corporate and tech environments, and businesses are willing to pay for someone who can help optimize their communication system. Next is ConvertKit. This is an email marketing tool that help businesses create automated email sequence, manage email lists, and engage with customers. If you learn ConvertKit, you can help businesses set up their email marketing campaign, create automated funnels, and grow their subscriber list. Many small and medium businesses struggle with email marketing. So this is a tool where you can provide huge values. And the best part, email marketing is a lot of revenues and businesses are willing to pay more for it. And for your expertise, number 3 is Asana. Asana is a project management tool that helps the team track tasks, deadline, and progress. If you are organized and love creating workflows, learning Asana can be a game changer. You can help businesses set up their project boards, organize workflow, and even train their team on how to manage projects more effectively. Many businesses, especially in marketing and tech, need project managers who can make the most out of tools like Asana. Next, we have got HelpScott. This is a customer support tool that helps businesses provide great services to their clients. With HelpScott, you can help businesses set up their customer service inbox, organize inquiries, and create an efficient support system. If you become proficient in HelpScott, you can offer your services to businesses that want to improve their customer service experience. Number 5 is QuickBook. This is an accounting and bookkeeping software that helps businesses track expenses, manage payroll, and also generate invoice. If you learn QuickBook, you can offer bookkeeping or invoicing services to businesses, even if you are not an accounting expert. Learning how to use QuickBook can set you up for consulting opportunities in the financial space. Next, we have got Kajabi. If you are into online courses, this is a tool you need to know. Kajabi allows businesses and creators to set up and sell online courses, membership, and digital products. If you learn how to use Kajabi, you can help businesses build and optimize their digital product platform and set up landing pages, and even help them market their courses. This is a huge niche right now, especially with the growth of e-learning and digital products. Number 7 is Webflow. If you are into web design or want to learn web development, Webflow is one of the best tools out there. It allows you to design fully responsive websites without needing to write a ton of code. If you get good at Webflow, you can offer web design services to businesses, whether they need a new business site or just want to improve their already existing website. Businesses are always looking for web designers who can build high quality website easily and quickly, and these skills will definitely pay off massively. Next is Farmer. This is a design tool for building interactive, high fidelity prototype for websites and apps. If you want to get into the world of UI UX design, Farmer is a great tool to master. By learning how to create beautiful, user-friendly prototype, you can help businesses design their websites and mobile app, at the same time improving user experience and customer satisfaction. Number 9 is HubSpot. This is an all-in-one CRM, customer relationship management tool used by businesses to manage leads, sales, and customer relationship. If you get good at HubSpot, you can help businesses set up their CRM system and track customer data, and also automate their sales pipeline. Sport is widely used in marketing and sales, so businesses in those areas are always looking for expertise to optimize the use of it. And finally, we have got number 10, Notion. This is a productivity tool that helps businesses manage their workflow, take notes, and collaborate more efficiently. If you get really good at using Notion, you can help businesses create custom setup, automate workflow, and train them to use it. Notion has become very popular with startups and small businesses. So if you are proficient in it, you can easily offer your services as a Notion consultant. So there you have it. 10 powerful software tools you can learn as a student and start offering consulting services to businesses. These tools are in high demand, and once you learn how to use them, you can start charging businesses for your expertise in it. Whether you are helping them with communication tools like Slack or email marketing tool like cover kits, there is a lot of potential to earn $800 every month or even more as you gain more experience. The best part, you don't need to wait until graduation to start. You can start learning these tools and offering your services right away. So what are you waiting for? Pick a tool, start learning and start offering your services to businesses today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let us know the time or where you're chatting us from. Turn on the notification bell for more tips on how to make money as a student. Drop a comment below if you want a well detailed video on any of these topics above, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.